Wreck the word? Wreck the word? Ah, damn it. Ugh. Hey guys, welcome to Wreck the World. I'm Eddie. I'm going to be working on the 67 Tempest again in this video, and we're going to get some stuff done on it today. So I haven't got much further on this Tempest from last time you saw it. The front end's on now. I just need to bolt it down still. But the engine that's in here is going to make all the Pontiac levers kind of angry. It is a small block Chevy, 350. And I was going to run this scoop and the air gap intake, and I dig it. It looks pretty cool. However, I have a 671 blower laying around that I was going to use for another build. Well, that other build's not going to happen. So I am going to put the 671 blower on this car instead and make one bad mammer jammer. Oh, that's it. That's the look I'm going for. Oh, that looks way better. That's definitely going to stand out in a crowd. So the 350 that's in here now is not really built for a blower. However, I was looking up the specs with my compression ratio, the cam that I have in there, everything like that. And as long as I keep boost fairly low, perhaps around 5 pounds or so, the engine should hold together. If not, if I happen to blow this thing up, then I do have a 383 stroker laying around that needs to be built, and I can build that one for a blower and have one radical engine. But this looks 10 times better. That's the winner there. So this thing's gonna be awesome. So now that the blower's on there, we need to address the ride height issue. The front end sits a little high up. I need to fix that and get the front end dropped down some. I want to give it a nice 70s muscle car style rake. So here's how the car sits now before lowering the front end. I'm gonna try to lower it down quite a bit, maybe about 4 inches or so. We'll see how that goes. But I do need to fix that because it's a little nose high right now, and I don't like that. I like them to be dropped down to the ground. So it's still on the factory coil spring front suspension. My plan is, since I'm kind of on a budget here, I'm going to remove these springs and just cut a few coils out. It's not the safest way to do it, but it's budget friendly, and the end result should work just fine. So I'm going to do that. Oh, that's way better. This car is starting to look really mean now. That's got the perfect stance that I'm looking for. Drop the nose down quite a bit. I didn't actually measure before I cut the springs. I should have, but before it was kind of nose high. I didn't really care for that look. Kind of looks stupid. This looks way better. That is perfect. All right, I need to paint this car. The primer gray is not really cutting it. Kind of boring. So I'm going to do something cool. Oh, hey. So I'm pretending to drive it because the car doesn't run yet. So I'm going to get this thing running, just a few things under the hood I need to take care of. And then we'll be back with another video for you doing some rowdy burnouts and donuts. Stay tuned.